with those online classes. Today we'll make Mango Rangeela. So let's start. For Mango Rangeela, we need ice cream, chopped mangoes, milk, powdered sugar, nuts and Tuty Fruti. First we'll take a bowl. Then we'll add chopped mangoes, add some sugar, now pour milk into the bowl. Now mix it with the help of whisk. Take a glass, add a spoon of mango ice cream. After that, chopped mango. Add some nuts. Finally, pour the mix into the glass. Now add some more chopped mangoes. Spoon of ice cream, finally add some Tuty Fruti to garnish. Mango Rangeela is now ready. Go for it. Hope you like this video. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.